guys, for today's assignment, you will come into your classwork here at the top. You will go under writing and you will click on biosensory/imagery poem. So when you click on that, you will see this Google Doc that you will submit at the end of this lesson, where you will be writing a poem all about you. So what I want you to do is I want you to use your 5 senses, since it is a sensory poem, and think about the different parts that make up your body and how you would describe them to somebody who has never met you. And then also you need to use a lot of imagery so that you can be creative and not just say, my face is round like the sun, or other things, other common things that are round. I want you to really think about the way, not only the way you look, but maybe if somebody touches your skin, what does that feel like? And think about different things that other people might see that they could compare to you. Okay, so you're going to come up here and you're going to edit the document. You're going to put all about me by, you're going to type in your name, okay, not mine. Remember to use capital letters at the beginning of your first name and the beginning of your last name. So my hair. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start with sight. So my hair is long, right? And today I was cutting grass outside. I was cutting my yard, and I saw that the grass was so high in some parts, and I thought, you know, that kind of looks like hair. It kind of looks like the troll's hair. So if I were to stick my hair up, it would look like the grass that I need to cut. So my hair is long like grass that hasn't been cut in a very long time. Okay, so you could just imagine me with troll hair. My eyes are, I'm going to say they're shiny. Okay, and I'm going to think about something that's really shiny that I love. My eyes are shiny like twinkling lights on a Christmas tree. Okay. My nose, well, today as I was cutting the grass, it was getting very, very dry. So it is very dry on the outside too. I'm kind of peeling. So my nose is dry. Like, let's see, what can we think of that's dry that everybody has seen? I'm going to go ahead and go with straw or hay. My nose is dry like a bundle of hay, like the kind that the horses eat. My face is, well, I am going to go with another side. So my face is kind of round, but I'm going to think about something that we might all have around the house that could describe it. So, I'm going to go ahead and go with my face is round like a soup bowl, right? We all have soup bowls. My face is kind of round like that. But you could put my face is handsome, my face is beautiful, my face is smooth. You could use all kinds of other words. My hands, so, you know, we've been washing our hands a lot during this time, and I've been putting on lotion after lotion after lotion. So my hands are pretty soft right now. So I'm going to put, my hands are soft and smooth. Like, let me think of something that's soft and smooth. Ooh, my dog is right next to me, and she is very soft and smooth. Her hair is very soft and smooth. So my hands are soft and smooth like a puppy's fur. In my body, well, I would say that after pushing the lawnmower and going on many, many walks, my body is pretty sturdy because I've been able to do so many things. So my body is sturdy. Okay, sturdy and strong, like, let's think of something that's sturdy and strong. Oh, like a tree trunk. So like I said, you can have fun with this. If you have funny things to compare yourself to that just make my day to read those, or if you want to make your poem really sweet or really interesting, I just want you to think outside the box. And I want you to just think, how would I describe myself to somebody who has never, ever seen me? What can I say about myself to make these people, when they close their eyes, they can imagine that I've got hair so long that it looks like grass that hasn't been cut in a very long time. Miss Salas has eyes that are shiny like twinkling lights on a Christmas tree, but her allergies are acting up, so her nose is dry like a bundle of hay. A face round like a soup bowl, but the hands are soft and smooth like a puppy's fur, and a sturdy and strong tree trunk body. Okay? These are the parts that make up me. So this is my All About Me poem. And before you submit it, you can highlight it, you can just play around with it, and just make it your own before you submit it. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm so excited to read these.